Module 2 Physical and Cognitive Development. In the previous module, we gained an understanding of the developmentally appropriate practices for physical development. In this module, let's understand the practices involved from 1 to 3 years and also look at cognitive development. Learning outcome. To understand the developmental milestones of physical development from 1 to 3 years, to understand the concept of cognitive development and appropriate practices from 0 to 6 months, to gain knowledge of the developmentally appropriate practices involved for the same, to apply the knowledge gained to real life situations. Physical development milestones from 1 to 2 years. Children at this stage are becoming more and more independent, and tasks involving balance and eye-hand coordination are emerging. Some typical milestones seen are able to lift things while standing up, walking backwards is achieved, can climb stairs, walking single steps at a time, running and jumping on both the legs, move to music, color, scribble, and can turn doorknobs or handles. Developmentally appropriate practices. Encourage the child to be responsible for their toys and things, folding small clothes, pulling out their clothes, choosing toys, and so on. Play along, walking forwards and backwards. Make simple obstacle course with pillows or soft toys, encouraging hopping and jumping. Provide safe colors, scribbling pads to encourage coloring and scribbling. Introducing musical instruments also helps achieve fine muscle coordination. Playing games involving like running, jumping, planning organized games. Physical developmental milestones from 2 to 3 years. Children are always building on their earlier skills, are becoming more proficient in activities that require coordination and speed. By this age, children generally can run in a coordinated direction, able to jump in one position, kick, catch, throw objects in a definite direction, can draw circles, able to hold crayon in between thumb and fingers. Developmentally appropriate practices. Organized games involving hopping, running, jumping, catching and balancing. Yoga, simple exercises, gymnastics and swimming. Cycling, scooters, bat and ball games, playing games with rules, tracing lines, curves, zigzag and so on for fine motor development, paper folding, stringing with small beads. Physical development is one of the most important areas of development, and planning appropriate activities to enhance development is a great responsibility. After having understood one area of development, let us try and understand cognitive development. What is cognitive development? Cognitive development can be understood as the construction of the thoughts or the process of thinking which involves constructing ideas, imaginations through memory, problem solving, creative thinking, making decisions from birth to adulthood. Cognitive development is all about how a child thinks, perceives, and understands his or her surroundings by exploring as well as from inherited factors. The aspects involved with cognitive development are information processing, memory, intelligence, and language development. Initially, it was considered that cognition developed in infants only when they started talking or were able to understand language. But with decades of research, it's been proved that cognition happens right from birth, and cognitive processes are actively happening as a child explores and learns from surroundings. Cognition has been studied from various perspectives. Intelligence tests were used to determine the intelligence of a child. Cognition was believed to be inherited and cannot be changed. Behaviorist researchers and Piaget changed the whole concept of cognition. Importance of cognitive development. Right from the moment a child is born, skills such as reading, language, vocabulary, number concept begins to build, which are a part of cognitive development. A child's cognitive development is a precursor to later success the child will experience in later life. A child without these skills can fall back in school, leading to not being able to perform as its own peers. After having understood in brief the concept and importance of cognitive development, let us understand the developmental milestones and the developmentally appropriate practices required for the same. Cognitive developmental milestones and developmentally appropriate practices. Developmental milestones from birth to 3 months. During the first 3 months, the development is centered at exploring the surrounding through the senses and trying to learn more about the body and surroundings. At this time, babies usually are able to see objects closer to the eye can be very cleanly seen. Any moving objects human faces, the baby is able to focus on it. Taste buds are very sensitive, able to differentiate between pitch and volume, able to see colors. Babies can respond with facial expressions. Developmentally appropriate practices. Showing bright colored picture books and talking about the pictures in the book. Engaging the baby with conversations during its awake times. Hanging a mobile to the crib or placing toys around the baby. Singing songs and action rhymes. Playing imitation games. Developmental milestones from 3 to 6 months. During this stage, the ability to perceive is still developing and starts growing stronger. Infants are able to recognize faces familiar to them, recognize and respond to others' facial expressions, react to familiar sounds and voices. Appearance of social smile can imitate facial expressions. Developmentally appropriate practices, peekaboo games, making facial expression easy for the baby to imitate, introducing sounds and textures, encouraging cooing and babbling, talking about the objects around the baby, introduce the baby to mirrors. Conclusion. Understanding of the developmental milestones and planning appropriate practices is very important. The early childhood educator can be very creative in planning activities, as the above given guidelines are to get a basic idea of preparing activities. Thank you.